Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we continue from where we stopped last week on data validation custom, and what we are going to look today is test length, test length, test length. So now, if you remember 3 weeks ago when we looked at data validation that is not custom, we set a set length of minimum and maximum. Now let me quickly remind you. We set the test length this way. We put minimum and then maximum. In other words, minimum text and then maximum text. So which means that it's either you put the minimum text or you put the maximum text. So we put a figure here and we also put a figure here. Now today what we are looking at is this. We are, instead of putting figure, we are going to make use of formula. Now the goal: prevent people from leaving it blank or entering names greater than the test length. So I will highlight, then data validation, then the drop down, then click, instead of test length you click custom. Now the formula, which will be equals to, and open brackets is test, open bracket, this cell is B3, type your B3, close your brackets, put your comma, open another bracket, put LEN, open another bracket, put the same B3, close your bracket, then lesser than 7, then we close the brackets, close the brackets. Now input message. Here I'm going to put instruction. Then put message, I'll put your test length must not go above 6. Your test length must not go above 6. Then I'll press, then for the error alert, let's change this to warning. And for the title, I will just put wrong entry, and then error message: kindly follow the instruction. I'll press my OK. So look at here, your test length must not go above 6. Now let's say a user sees this and just ignores and puts and inputs Austin JJ Okocha, then enter. What is here? Kindly follow the instruction. Wrong entry. So I successfully validated my column to restrict people from just putting fake, from just typing anything. Right now, let's say I put Okocha alone. Okocha alone. What will happen? Excel will accept it. Let me try to put here Kanu. Excel will accept it. We'll be on the same page. Now let me put Roberto Carlos. Let's see what will happen. Kindly follow the instruction. Okay, so this is how you can make use of data validation. I hope you've learned something today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.